Hello everyone, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I am back today with another one of BeadingSchool's awesome fuchsia special deal box bundles. I have both the Bonnie and the Clyde boxes that are including the bundles of crystal connectors and glass drops, and you're welcome to pick up each of these separately, but if you do pick them up as a bundle, it costs 99 euros and you get some free gifts included. You'll also get 20% off as a discount on any glass drops in metal settings and crystal connectors, valid for 10 days, starting right after you place your order for the bundle. So you'll just need to check out with this bundle first on their website and then choose join with the order in progress if you'd like to add more to your order and get that discount. These boxes are awesome for sampling a lot of different items at once, especially different colors. And by picking them up as a bundle, you get an extra bit of a discount on everything. Now, I'll leave the link to this bundle as well as the boxes separately right down below the video so you can be taken right to these. They've been very popular on BeadingSchool and in fact even more popular than their awesome Preciosa Bicone boxes, which I've shared previously. And inside you'll get 50 pairs or 100 pieces of different shapes, colors, and sizes of beautiful crystal connectors and glass drops that you can find at BeadingSchool. And specific items that are included are on their website where you can read more about what you can expect. Now, the Bonnie box, it's supposed to contain some of the warmer colors like yellow, pink, red, and purple. And the Clyde box is supposed to contain cooler tones like your turquoise, blue, green, etc. So by buying them as a bundle, you'll get both of the color palettes together and you'll get the opportunity to get a free gift bag of crystal pendants, which I happen to have right here in this bag. So let's take a quick look at these first. And you can see there's 5 pairs here in all different colors, from magenta to emerald and lavender and like a smoky quartz color, and then the light peachy pink. They have the faceting on both sides and the hole located at the top. And again, that's if you purchase both Bonnie and Clyde together. Now let's go ahead and get into these boxes. We'll take a look at Bonnie first and see what's inside. All right, so let's open this up. And here's our warmer colors that we see neatly packed inside of this special deal box. And first we'll take a look at these 8 by 32 millimeter size in the light golden colored settings. First we have Princess Rose, which is this light pink, beautiful long drops with the faceted glass. And then we have the transparent, which is crystal clear. And I like the light gold tone on these settings. And it's very smooth. It feels like it's really good quality. And we have the third color option here, which is in the smoke color. And I do want to mention with these fuchsia boxes, it's possible that the color variations could vary slightly from box to box, but they'll all go along with this particular theme, and you'll get the same quantities and value in your boxes. So these are the 3 very long 8 by 32 millimeter drops, the largest items that we have in this box. And I just so happen to have this pair of earrings that I recently shared in a tutorial. These drops came in their recent BeadingSchool bi-monthly subscription in this gorgeous green color. If you're curious as to how to make these earrings, these are called the Adele earrings, and you can look up that video tutorial on my channel. And it gives you a good idea of what these components look like when they're in use. Up next are 3 different selections of the 8 by 31 millimeter elongated crystal connectors in metal settings. Here they are in light rose. This time they have the loops on either side, so you can use those as more of a connector instead of a drop. I also have the color called light topaz, which is this golden, sunny yellow tone. And the very dramatic red color, as you can see here. These are absolutely beautiful, and just imagine those used in earrings. If you wore these outside and the sunlight is shining through those, how lovely would that be? Let's take a look at our next shape, which is the 14 by 22 millimeter glass drops, again in the light gold tone settings. First, we have a pair in the ballerina pink, again with this light rosy pink color. We have two of these beautiful faceted drops that are transparent. And then we have some that are actually opaque. We have the light pastel pink. These are called pearl pink. They're also faceted, but they don't let the light pass through. Then we have the light cyan red, which is a little bit different than the other red that we have below. This is a slightly lighter and a little bit more orangey red. And then the other color selection that they included in this shape is called champagne yellow. So it's a light buttery yellow that's also opaque, and it shows you the difference between these and the transparent glass in the same size. Next, we can check out the 14 by 16 millimeter ballerina tutu shape crystal connectors, which are sort of a semicircle. The color on top is called smoke, and then we have some soft pink in the middle, and on the bottom we have some of our light topaz. So again, going along with the color palette that we have in the other shapes and sizes, and with this particular shape, not only do you get that gorgeous faceted crescent-shaped crystal, but these have a loop on the top and the bottom, and they go in two different directions. Up next, we have some more drops. These are the 8 by 15 millimeter size in the light gold setting. These have the open back as well, as all of these do. The loop that's at the top and then the prongs at the bottom holding these together. This first color is called amethyst purple. And then next we have the ballerina pink, again with our beautiful pastel light pink color. Next, they've included some light cyan. And we also have this very, very light sort of bluish purple below. I don't see the color actually on the package because it got cut off a little bit, but it is a stunner as well. And that lighter color makes it really easy for you to see all the different facets and also the thickness of these crystals and how beautiful those settings are. Next, we can take a look at the 11 by 17 millimeter cushion cut connectors. We have three different colors in this selection. The first one I received is called burgundy, and there's a look at that one up to the light. Next is the peachy rose. And then we have the light lavender. And these also have the two different loops at the top and the bottom, both of which go in a different direction. Up next, we have the 6 by 12 millimeter rectangle shape in magic purple. These are kind of a middle of the road purple color in the rectangular faceted shape with the loops on either end that are in the same orientation. And there's a look at the back of that. You can see that the light is able to pass directly through those crystals. And these are some of the smaller ones that are included in the package. Additionally, we have some 7 by 11 millimeter rhombus crystal connectors in the color called Summer Sun. Beautiful reddish orange and this sort of diamond-like orientation with the loops on either side, and probably our smallest selection in the box. And then finally, we have three of the color varieties in these 6 millimeter round sizes. These are a charm in the light gold setting. And on the top is the color called medium purple. Then on the bottom left is princess pink. And on the bottom right is called Deep Pink. And these are gorgeous settings. Look at that. It looks like a little crown. These are so stunning. And look how sparkly they are. I just can't get over it. I love all of these crystal connectors so much. And this is an awesome way to sample so many different shapes and sizes all at once. So if you wanted to get your hands just simply on this box, which is the Bonnie selection, this would cost about 59 euros, and it would not come with the additional free gift, just to let you know. So it's the savings of about 18 euros if you pick up both boxes at the same time, plus you're getting the free crystal drop selection. And now that we've taken a look at Bonnie, these warmer colors, let's go ahead and open up the Clyde box and see what's in store. All right, so same exact types of connectors and quantities, just in the different colorway. And you can see we've got 3 bags of the 8x32mm glass drops, just like we saw before. The first pair that I have is in transparent, this crystal clear glass. We also have 2 included in the tourmaline green, which is that exact color that I showed you in those earrings just a few minutes ago. And then we have the royal blue, this stunning medium blue color. Lots of surface area with these crystals to really show off the color of the glass and the faceting. And here are those 8x31mm elongated crystal connectors. And these are just in the selection called blue. Aren't those just gorgeous? We also have the color called green jade, which is an opaque and does have the jade green appearance. And then our third one is called white opal, which is more of an opaque, creamy white color. Up next, we can look at the 14x22mm size drops. First is a pair in pale green, and then next we have a pair in the dark cyan. Those were both transparent varieties, and then we have the opaque variety in cornflower blue. And here are the 3 in the 14x16mm ballerina tutu shape. First, we have a pair in emerald green. Next, we have the turquoise, which is like this light aqua color. And next up is sky blue, this medium blue tone. And I did miss one of our 14x22mm drops. These are in gray. And these are a very deep charcoal color, especially if you put them on the palm of your hand. They look a lot darker if they don't have the light passing through them. And next we have the 11x17 cushion cut varieties. First is the Montana blue, very deep, sort of grayish blue color. Then we have emerald. And then transparent, our clear glass. Now let's check out the 4 varieties of the 8x15mm glass drops. And we'll start out with this pair of vibrant blue. This is sort of a deeper aqua tone. Next is the one called light turquoise. And then we have grass green, looks like a Kelly green. And then next is called transparent, which I could have sworn had a little hint of a bluish or purple tone to it. These are the same ones that were in the Bonnie selection that I couldn't see the name of, or I thought it might be cut off, but these are just called transparent. So pretty much like a crystal clear. And then we have the 6x12mm rectangles in the color Night Sky Blue. Really pretty deeper shade of blue there. with the loops on either side. And then our package of the 7 by 11 millimeter rhombus connectors in pale turquoise. Very, very light with that hint of turquoise blue. And then we wrap it up with our 3 selections in the 6 millimeter round size in these charm settings. And we have our grass green to get us started. And then our royal blue. And then we have our pale turquoise. Just gorgeous. I love those crown settings. So that is everything in total for the Bonnie and the Clyde varieties of these special deal crystal connectors boxes. I wanted to show all of these together so you could get a feel for just how much you get with both of those boxes. Again, you can pick up that bundle, and I'll leave the link to that right down below the video, and you'll get that free gift of those drops that are sitting off to the left. These make for a beautiful way to enhance your beadwork and add additional sparkly and high quality feeling detail to your pieces. And I think they've done a fantastic job putting these color selections together and giving you the option of picking them up both separately or as one complete bundle. Also, if you pick these up as a bundle, you get free shipping, so there's no additional charge for that. And be sure to check out the other fuchsia special deal boxes that they have, a lot of which I have shared here before, and you can find in my Beading School playlist. That is all I have for now. I want to thank you all so much for joining me and checking out this latest round of fuchsia boxes. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these components or anything else you'd like to say. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe while you're here, and feel free to share the video wherever you like. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.